Yoga is a sport that, in addition to the physical aspect, also involves the mental aspect of the athlete. Many believe that yoga is derived from India. Join us to introduce you to the best yoga moves you can do at home. First, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your palms together. Lay your weight on your left foot and slowly raise your right foot, sticking the sole of your right foot into your left thigh, knee or ankle. Pull your right knee back and your hips forward so that they are level. Focus on an object in front of you. When you feel balanced, raise your hands above your head, just like the branches of a tree. Keep your shoulders down. Hold this position for 4 to 6 deep breaths. Then change legs and move again. In the beginning, sit on the floor and try to stick the soles of your feet together. Hold the ankle with the hands. Then bring your knees to the ground by pressing your elbows as far as you can. Stretch your spine and keep your back straight. In this case, you feel your head go up. Keep your shoulders away from the corners and raise your chin slightly. Continue this position for 4 to 6 deep breaths. Sit on your hands and knees. Arms should be shoulder width apart. Knees should be just as wide. To do the cat position, exhale and lower your back, round your spine, and lower your head so that you can see your abdomen. Hold this position for 1 inhale and exhale. Then go to the next position, inhale, then exhale and pull on your spine. Bring your abdomen to the ground. Raise your back and look up slowly. Continue this position for 1 inhale and exhale and then return to the first position. Do the movement 5 to 10 times. First, start this movement on the hands and knees. Spread your fingers apart. Bend your toes so that the toes are on the ground. Stretch your legs and bring your back up. Pull your abdominal muscles toward your spine. Gently pull the heel of your foot toward the ground to feel the muscles in the back of the foot being stretched. Keep your back straight. Look at your toes. Be careful not to cut the shoulders towards the corners. Hold this position for 6 deep breaths. First, find a comfortable standing position on your yoga mat. Separate your legs parallel to your hips. Lift and open the toes, pressing through the base of the big toe, the little toe, and the center of the heel. Raise your knees. Be careful not to lock your knees, as locking can cause anxiety. Find the right gesture by pushing down on the heel to reach the crown of the head toward the ceiling. As you press your foot, you feel your head rise and the length of your spine increases. Palm forward, with your arms outstretched. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Repeat this inhale and exhale. Then gently close your mouth and focus on inhaling and exhaling.